What if I told you that 4 simple words quietly changed the future of the Mac Mini forever? There was no giant keynote presentation, no dramatic reveal, no flashy stage lighting, and no carefully orchestrated countdown clock. Instead, it happened through a short message from Tim Cook on February 24th that instantly caught the attention of people who
For the
understood
first
its
time,
significance.
Mac Minis will
The
be
message
assembled
was simple.
right here in Houston.
Mac Mini will be produced in the U.S. Just 4 words, yet those words carried enormous meaning for the future of Apple and for the future of American manufacturing. For the first time in history, the Mac Mini will be assembled on American soil. Production is moving to Houston, Texas, inside a Foxconn facility that is becoming one of the most important locations in Apple's future plans. This move forms part of Apple's massive $600 billion commitment to expanding manufacturing and infrastructure investment in the United States. The obvious question immediately became why the Mac Mini? Out of every product Apple sells, from iPhones and MacBooks to iPads and Apple Watches, why would the company choose its smallest desktop computer to lead this historic transition? The answer reveals something most people have completely overlooked. The Mac Mini has quietly transformed from a niche desktop into one of the most strategically important products in Apple's entire ecosystem. During the same announcement, Tim Cook mentioned something that many viewers ignored. The Houston facility would not only manufacture Mac Minis, but would also help accelerate production of Apple's AI servers. That detail changes everything. This was not a coincidence, and it certainly was not a marketing slogan. It was strategy. Apple is placing Mac Mini production alongside AI infrastructure development under the same roof. That sends a very clear message. The Mac Mini is no longer simply an entry-level desktop designed for students, offices, or casual users. It has evolved into an important piece of Apple's growing AI ambitions. Interestingly, Apple did not originally intend for the Mac Mini to occupy this position. Customers pushed it in this direction through the ways they began using the machine. Scientists, software developers, AI engineers, researchers, universities, and creative studios started purchasing Mac Minis in large quantities. Not 1 or 2 units, but entire racks of them. They connected multiple machines together to run local language models, machine learning experiments, rendering workloads, and AI inference tasks. The Mac Mini became a compact server solution that offered remarkable efficiency and impressive power at a fraction of the cost of larger professional workstations, such as the Mac Studio. Tim Cook later confirmed during an earnings call that demand from AI developers had significantly exceeded Apple's internal expectations. In simple terms, Apple underestimated just how attractive the Mac Mini would become to the AI community. Developers discovered a powerful, quiet, energy-efficient machine capable of handling serious workloads without consuming enormous amounts of electricity or physical space. Apple recognized this shift and is now building infrastructure around the reality that customers created. This brings us to the M5 chip, and this is where the story becomes even more interesting. The Mac Mini currently remains one of the last Macs still using the M4 processor, while many other Apple products have already moved forward. The M5 arrived in devices such as the iPad Pro and MacBook Air during late 2025, while the M5 Pro entered the MacBook Pro lineup in early 2026. Yet the Mac Mini remained unchanged. The reason was not design delays or lack of interest. The real issue was a worldwide memory shortage, driven largely by the explosive growth of artificial intelligence. AI data centers around the world have consumed unprecedented amounts of DRAM and NAND memory, pushing prices sharply higher and straining global supply chains. Tim Cook described the situation as a 100-year flood, a phrase that illustrates just how severe the shortage became. Ironically, one of the products helping drive AI demand became trapped in the same supply chain disruption that AI itself created. Fortunately, that wait appears to be coming to an end. Multiple supply chain reports now point toward an October or November 2026 launch window for the M5 Mac Mini. Early roadmaps suggested a late 2026 release, but recent information has narrowed the timeline considerably. Apple's own online store provides additional clues. Several higher memory configurations have become unavailable, while the original 256 GB base model has quietly disappeared entirely. This does not suggest weak demand. It looks much more like Apple preparing inventory space for an upcoming refresh. The M5 itself promises substantial improvements. According to Apple's internal performance estimates, peak GPU compute for AI workloads could increase by as much as 4 times compared to the M4 generation. Memory bandwidth is expected to rise from 120 GB per second to 153 GB per second, allowing information to move significantly faster throughout the system. Perhaps even more important, each GPU core will feature dedicated neural acceleration capabilities built directly into the architecture. That means AI processing, machine learning tasks, and graphics workloads can operate simultaneously without competing for the same resources. Developers running local AI models will benefit from smoother operation, larger model support, and faster responses. The M5 is not simply faster than the M4. It is designed specifically for the kinds of workloads that modern users increasingly rely upon. For those needing even more power, the M5 Pro could become an incredible option. Using Apple's Fusion architecture, the chip combines multiple dies to deliver extraordinary performance with up to 18 CPU cores and 20 GPU cores. That power translates directly into real-world productivity for video editors exporting massive projects, developers compiling large software builds, and researchers running advanced simulations or AI training locally. Pricing remains one of the biggest questions. The original M4 Mac Mini launched at an impressive starting price of $599, but Apple later removed that entry-level configuration, effectively shifting the starting point to $799. Industry expectations suggest the M5 version could arrive somewhere between $699 and $799, depending on memory and storage configurations. While that represents a price increase, Apple is also expected to double the baseline storage from 256 GB to 512 GB, making the overall value proposition much stronger. When you put everything together, the picture becomes clear. The Mac Mini is becoming far more than just Apple's smallest desktop computer. It is the first Mac assembled in America, a machine built alongside AI servers in Texas, and a product designed for the future of artificial intelligence, software development, and creative production. The little desktop that once lived quietly in the corner of Apple's lineup is suddenly becoming one of the most important Macs the company has ever made.